Sige po. Hello guys, I'm Gio Ivan Atensio, your Mungkada Tarlac, and your Great Man Universe Ambassador. Thanks so much po.
Hi, I'm Brian. First of all, congratulations for winning one of the ambassador titles. How are you feeling right now?
I'm speechless right now, sir.
And ano-ano bang mga preparations and sacrifices na ginawa mo for this competition?
I sacrifice the things that I need, like doing so much things in Mobile Legend. I focus on my physical fitness and my mental well-being po.
Speaking of physical fitness, anong klaseng diet and workout ang ginawa mo? Gano'ng kadala sa gym?
Actually, wala po akong absent. Mas marami pa po yung pasok ko sa gym kaysa sa school.
How about your diet?
My diet po is strictly 150 macros po. 150 carbs. Yun po talaga.
And who taught you regarding your pasarela and your projection and Q&A?
My trainer po sa Pasarela is Mami Siren. Hello, Mami Sai! And my Q&A po is Lancaster Academy. Thank you so much. And shout out po pala sa gym ko, Gym Republic. Thank you so much po.
And kanina, nung tinatawag yung names ninyo, what was going through your mind? And did you expect to win one of the titles?
Hindi po eh. Unexpected po kasi we have different perspective po and we have different candidates na kaya po talagang makipagsabayan. But yun, thanks God po na nakapasok po tayo.
Is this your first pageant?
This is my first national but hindi po siya yung pinakauna kong pageant.
Okay. Ito na ba ang last time na makikita namin ikaw sa national stage o may balak pa?
If ever given a chance to represent Philippines, why not? Kaya, yeah, see you there, guys. Thanks so much po.
Alright. Thank you so much. And one last, ano ang message mo sa mga supporters mo?
Yan, thank you so much for your support. Lalong-lalo na sa page ko dyan, Ivanicius. Thank you so much po, Mami MJ. Thank you, guys. Mongkada, thank you so much for supporting me. LGU po. Thank you.
Thank you, thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.